I just think that people shouldn't be ashamed to be part God. And I don't think people should be attacked for it, or for using the parts of them that come along with that package. I think people should act accordingly, understanding and accepting that part of them. I think if more people were made more aware on a more regular basis, we live and interact and communicate a lot differently with ourselves, each other, and everything around us. And I don't think there's enough psychiatric resources, issues in that line of thinking, and the emotions that come with them, and the understandings and realizations that come in with those in today's society. I don't think there's enough help for things like that. Anyway, here's some birds. Like, we gotta stop trying to sell it, wage war over it, and compete about it. I don't care what you are, or what you think you are. What does it do for you? And what does it do for the rest of us? In a world where we're all part God, divine, or part spirit, whatever you want to say, whatever word, part universe is my preference, honestly. In a world where everyone's part God, it doesn't matter that you are or aren't. Think you aren't. Doesn't matter that you are. What matters is what you do with it, because of it, in light of it, and in spite of it. Just my theory.